Hello everyone, this is Brian Beamish, the Rational Investor, here again with you today, Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014, with your daily Bitcoin summary for YouTube here. Let's get to the charts and see what's going on. Right, so looking at the daily chart, we look at BTCE. We see that once again, we have a nice price action within our trading range, as pointed out in yesterday and previous days' videos. Top of the range is about 630, 629.60 to be exact, and the bottom end of the range, I think, is 603.70. So really waiting for a resolution of these two levels for my next trade setup. You can see how we've basically oscillated between these two, and we're really battling right along a significant trend line here. In fact, if we zoom out on this, we see that this trend line goes back to the lows registered back in the spring. So very important trend line here that we're battling with. Really, I don't know if we're going to resolve it bullishly or bearishly. Unfortunately, though, when we do look at momentum, we're looking a little bit heavy here. We have this bearish momentum divergence that we've been talking about for quite some time now. And of course, our good old buddy Willie got stupidly overbought right up here, and has been just slowly working himself lower, and has recently now put in a nasty new little double top breakdown. And now the indicator itself is quite comfortably below the 50 line. So that's a bit concerning there. If we do get a pullback and a failure of this 611 area, on the short term, that's this low right in here. Basically it suggests that next support line is about 605, then that 603.70 low. So there is a bit of support in here. And what I've been suggesting to people lately is that we're just caught in this little moving average sandwich. So we have to see how we're going to resolve out of the sandwich to see whether we're going to break these most recent highs and lows. And my setup comes on a move through either of these peaks. So, we'll finish off today's video with just a quick look at the 4-hour. A couple things that are supportive maybe going forward. We do have a potential double bottom now coming in momentum-wise on the 4-hour. Let's see, just simply there. So we'll see how this 616.5 level, 616.40 level acts here in the short term. We might get a little bit of a nice little counter turn rally. Here is where are we here? Here is this recent triple top that I've been talking lots about. Really, I would get the impetus to do something in the market on a breakthrough these highs here. So as we've been consolidating, it's just the range has been getting tighter and tighter and tighter. I will say that, if we do even start putting in, new highs up through the 38.2 here, then we could have a double bottom within a double bottom, which is constructive. I've also been talking a bit about a potential 4-hour bullish bot, so that's basically looking for this target way up here. And that comes alive on a move through this 630 level. So that's basically what I'm looking for going forward. Should we get this breakout, my hunch is we are probably going to get a knee-jerk rally into the OTE. I have been talking quite a while about the fact that we had a bigger bat formation off of the entire top here working. And you see how it played out. We might have actually a smaller bat here forming off of this formation. If that's the case, then the bat target should be 88.6, so that would be up in this area here, 648 and change. And the bullish bots long at about 630, 628 area. It stopped to break even level just so happens to be right up in this area too. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of action we get up here. We still haven't broken out in earnest yet. Willie still could clean himself up. We could still take some time and clean himself up here. If we do break down, I can see a lot of argument for a pullback down into this area, bearish ABCDs, trend lines, OTE long, sweet spots, that kind of idea. And if we do break out higher, then I'm looking for a rally up into this area initially, and then if we get any traction on that breakout, then up into here. All right, so that's basically your daily summary. I hope you've enjoyed my levels, seen what setups I'm looking at, and seen the areas of interest that I have. So have yourselves a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow, and all the best. Bye for now.